Welcome to SimplyRideUSA.com. Today we have a pre-owned 2012 Yamaha Super Tenere. This 1200cc adventure bike has just over 44,000 miles on it and has been through our 25-point inspection. So let's take our walk around it, we'll show it to you, then we'll fire it up for you. This bike is still really clean looking, even though it's had a minor tip over on both sides. Front tire, decent tread, but is really starting to cup, so personally I think it's a tire that needs to be replaced. We've got fork covers, we've got a light smoke windscreen with a windscreen wing, we've got the side air deflectors, we've got an engine guard, which you can see some of the scrapes on there from the tip over. We have got a skid plate, hand guards, which again took some of the tip over damage there, a little bit here on the back of the mirror too, but it's pretty tough to see. We also have a throttle lock, tank pad, and heated grips. Rider pegs, canvas saddlebags, and a tail bag. This also has a Two Brothers pipe on it, and you can tell by that rear tire too, it's got some tread left on it, but again got quite a flat patch in the middle, and I really personally believe they should be replaced. And again, our canvas saddlebags and tail bag, Two Brothers pipe, rider pegs, tank pad, and again our heated grips. On this side we've got the same. We've got some scratches on the handguard as well as the very edge of the mirror, and again on the engine guard. Side air deflectors, and again our light smoke windscreen with the wing, and fork boots, fork covers, whatever you want to call them. All right. We also have a media mount here. So 4457 is what's on this. This 2012 Yamaha Super Tenere is a pre-owned motorcycle, which means it's been through our 25-point inspection. Thank you for shopping SimplyRideUSA.com.